Hi there, Lindsay, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, go right ahead, subscribe, like, and turn the post notifications on for my latest videos. Hi guys, Lindsay. So in this video, we are going to unbox this Samsung Galaxy A12. Actually, it's never been opened, so we are going to open it. We're going to do the unboxing. If you're new to my channel, you can go right ahead, subscribe, and also turn the post notification button on. I'm going to be doing a lot of these videos, and also I may be doing some giveaways at some point as well. So you want to turn the post notification button on. More quality videos coming your way. So there's a plastic that is covering the box, so you need to remove this, right? The box will not get wet or anything because of the plastic cover, which is so cool. So here we go. You can either slide up or you can slide down. And this is the box. And it came with screen protectors. So we have screen protector here. This is the phone. As you can see, this is it. We also have earphone. We also have the original charger, which is Type-C. We also have the adapter, and we also have the pin to open the tray and the adapter. So these are what you'll get in your package here, right? So our main focus is actually the phone, and this is the first look. So just look at it. Samsung Galaxy A12, and it's looking awesome. It feels great, and I'm going to turn this on for the first time. So it's worth it. It is worth it, guys. I'm telling you, from just looking at this phone, from just hefting the phone, it's not too light, it's not too heavy, it's just ideal. And I know this will be a phone that most of you will love. So this is our first time turning this on. This is the SIM tray. So we have dual SIM and also a slot for micro SD card. So we are going to go and set this up. So as you can see, this is the interface of the phone, and we are going to do a full review in terms of the speed, the different features, the camera, and all the features of the phone. So we are going to review all of that in this video. So guys, with the Samsung Galaxy A12, we have a 6.5 display screen. As you can see, the screen is quite big, and also you can get to watch all of your favorite stuff on your device, right? We also have a 48 megapixel camera. That's also something we'll be getting into. Also, just want you to bear in mind that this battery in this phone is actually a, and we'll be going into the camera test a bit later in this video. We also have Fingerprint Reader, which is the side mount, which is right here. So just want you guys to look at it right there. So I just want you guys to look at the side mount, which is the fingerprint scanner right there. Right, so this phone is actually an entry-level phone on a budget, and this one is great in terms of the specs, the overall specs of it. And definitely what we actually need to do is the speed test and the camera test. This is what most persons are looking into. This is what most persons want to see. This is what most persons want to know if to purchase this phone. So definitely we are going to get into the speed test of it and also the camera. So to begin with this phone, right, the phone have different cameras at the back. As you can see, we have about 4 different cameras there for different functions. The front camera is actually 1080p, 30 frames per second. We have 1080p as well, the same specs. The front camera is 8 megapixel, guys. The rear camera, we have wide main, which is 48 megapixel. We also have the ultra wide angle, which is 5 megapixel. We also have macro 2 megapixel and depth 2 megapixel as well. So guys, we have a lot of different camera features and functions here. Also, this phone is a Android 10 version, as you can see there. One UI cover. We'll be doing speed tests. We'll be doing the camera test. But before we go into that, let's just test the speaker volume. So let's just go on sim. And that's all the volume that we have here on this phone. And I can tell you that this phone can really pack a punch in terms of the speaker. I can actually hear that the speaker have a lot of potential. So all we have to get into is the camera, right? And just look at that. Just look at that quality. Look at that. You can actually see it in the camera that it looks very sharp and very, very good. Let's just look at the different functions here. You can actually see where we have the 40 megapixel at the top. This is the 40 megapixel here. And I will actually be shooting some videos as well with the different megapixels and the different angles as well. So quickly, I just want to run through the different camera features and show you guys, right? So we have the timer here at the top, up to 10 seconds. We have 5 and 2, 3 seconds there, right? We have the different camera rotation resolution. So as you can see, we are on 48 megapixel. We have the 3.4. We have the 9.16. We also have the 1.1. We also have the full. So you can distinguish actually what exactly you want and which one of the settings work best for you in terms of overall quality and what is more desirable. We also have another cool feature here, which is the live focus. And there's a blur, right? So when you take pictures with this live focus, it can blur your background, meaning it will detect you. So it says that you should stay within 3 to 5 feet so it can blur your background. And we'll be testing that out as well. So we have the photo mode, we have the video mode here. We also have more. Just look at that. Yeah. So we have different cool features here in terms of the emoji and all of this. You can also put the date, take a picture. So I will actually leave you to explore all of these. So guys, we are really going to conclude this video with this A12. Actually guys, we are going to do more videos so you can subscribe to my channel and how you can set up the fingerprint scanner, the face recognition as well. I'm going to show you how to set those up in the next video that will be in the video description. However guys, the camera is awesome. We took some videos with this earlier, right, and we took some photos as well, but we also have different mood, and I'm gonna tell you guys that the picture combination is fantastic. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So when you select the different zoom, this is actually the wide lens. I'm telling you guys, the case is just here, it's not far away, but the wide lens, just epic. Just look at that, just look at that. And the way it zooms, so nice, so cool. Just look at this. The case is right there, it's right there, but this wide lens, it's awesome. And this is the 16:9. We can also do this on full, right? So let's do it on full. It's awesome, it's awesome. So I'll be even doing a video on the camera quality and all the camera features, so you will find that video in the video description as well. So when I do post these videos guys, turn on the post notification, and we are gonna be doing a lot. I'm also will be doing a speed test as well to see how fast this phone is in comparison to other phones. So guys, go right ahead and subscribe to this video, turn your post notifications on. I know I have a lot of subscribers and most of you did not turn the post notification on. You want to turn this on because I'll be doing a lot of new things on my channel and a lot of informative stuff as well, and I might be doing giveaways. So go right ahead, turn the post notifications on. If you're new to my channel, welcome aboard. Turn post notification on. If this video was helpful, do give this video a thumbs up, do like, share and subscribe. I'm out.